here. Sugar! Come here, baby. Quite a bit of a snowstorm we have. Come here. Come say hi. Come say hi. Good boy. Come here. Where you at? You're so white you could hardly see in the snow. Come here. Hey, Sugar. Where you at? I can't even see you in the snow. Look at you. You're so cute. Wow, this is really cool. I finally got this to work. I was looking everywhere for how to get it to work. Sugar! Brr, it's cold. Well, this is really interesting. I've never gotten the video to work until now. I've never been able to figure it out. But I'm glad. This is just my house. Nothing special. Let's see how the back door's looking. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty's under the bed. Let's see how things are out here. Wow. Nice. You can see a lot of snow out there. This is a lot of fun. I love doing this. Well, that's about all that I wanted to show you. Good night, everybody.